Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, what have we got today? We have a Ford Ranger. Well, I mean, you can't blame me for getting it confused. It's an Everest, all right? Basically the same car. We're going to get a nudge bar fitted on this one today, and that's about it. So we may as well get stuck into it. Alrighty guys, Chris here again, the guy from the start of the video. Who else did you expect to be at the end of the video? Anyway, what do we got? Nudge bar fitted on this Everest, right? I learned what vehicle it is, I learned what model it is, but it's also the same nudge bar to suit the Ranger, so this nudge bar will suit both the Ranger and the Everest, and this video is actually applicable for both the Ranger and the Everest. That is the 2020 to current Ranger, and I believe this generation of Everest came out in 22, but you're gonna have to double check that. Anyway, so long story short, if you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see more of these fitting videos. We've got them all happening, all in the pipeline, and we will see you on the next one.